What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on Mask Network, which has once again pumped up in value, 27% up in the last 24 hours, making it just over the $4.19 target. So we're going to be going through, is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Is it time to sell it if you are on a profit? Looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and obviously we're in December guys, so there's literally a month left for 2023. Is this a must-have crypto going into 2023? And looking at both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. As you can see, the market is up just about a percentage in the last 24 hours, and Mask Network has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours. We can see here in the last hour itself, managed to gain a massive 8% in value, and as you can see, most of it came from literally about half an hour from when I'm recording this video. So as you can see, jumping from 389 all the way up to 426 in a space of about 10 minutes. As you can see here, drop back down and right now climbing back up in value. Over the last day, 27%. Over the week, 57%. It's been a very good week for Mask Network. As you can see, slow and steady gains in value. It's been quite volatile, but overall, it has been moving towards a positive direction. And over the month, a massive 77% up, guys. We can see early November, about a month ago, it reached $5.94, so going up 150%, and then dropped back down. Obviously the major crash took place, and right now slowly and steadily gaining value, going back up in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by 47% in the last 24 hours, making it $268 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Mask Network. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto right now, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype. More and more people are going to be buying, but we are also going to see a lot of people selling it, taking out their profits as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, we're going to hide this and we're going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at that daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Mask Network, which is $3.07. However, it is trading at much higher value at $4.23, meaning it is performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's have a look here. We've got the blue and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking quite steep. So again, it is not realistic. That doesn't mean we're going to see a major increase in value. And as I keep mentioning in most of my videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happening here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little step back, and the exact same applies to Mask Network. So yes guys, I'm expecting it to, well, not to drop straight back down, but more red candlesticks are likely to appear over the next 12 to 14 hours. Dropping below the $4 mark is what my predictions are towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. However, this depends on how the crypto market performs, but at the moment, yes, I'm expecting it to slowly and steadily starting to drop down in value. But again, for now, it is going to keep increasing to about $4.40, $4.50 over the next 3-4 hours, and then after that, it's likely to slowly and steadily start to drop in value. Over the next couple of days, what can we see? Now we're looking a little bit bullish, going in a positive direction. However, we're not looking as steep as the previous chart. Again, this means that over the next few days, so let's say by mid to the end of next week, we should expect an overall increase in value on Mask Network, potentially heading towards the $5 mark is what my predictions are by the end of next week, or even $5.20. we should be trading at, or Mask Network should be trading at, sorry, by the end of next week. But again, it's going to be a slow and steady increase in value, and also that does not mean we're going to be consistently hitting green candles over the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's down, green days when it's up, but the overall outcome once again seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks guys, now we're talking 2023, so mid-Jan to late January 2023. I'm again expecting an overall increase in value on Mask Network, and hopefully heading towards the $6.50 target is where I'm expecting Mask Network to go. But again guys, this depends on how the crypto market performs. As you guys know, I was making Mask Network videos before as well, about a month ago, but obviously I was expecting it to keep going up in value, but an unexpected crash did take place which has ruined the whole thing, and that is why it's trading at $4 right now. If the crash did not take place, then at the moment it will be trading around the $8 to $9 mark. But again, crashes and stuff like that are not predicted. It's not something that we can predict, maybe a couple of hours before, but not weeks or days before. But again, anything like that will have a major impact on the value of Mask Network. Not just a crash, but a major bull run, a major bump will also have a positive impact, not just on Mask Network but the whole crypto market in general. So anything like that which I can predict, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see here, back in November, we did manage to just about hit the resistance target to hit into the green line, which is $5.98, and we hit $5.88, meaning it did resist and then start to drop back down in value. And if the crash did not take place, then at the moment we would be trading in the green zone, very likely. But again, it happened, there's no point going back to that. But again, our next target would be hitting just about the $6 mark for us to hit the resistance target and head into the green zone in 2023. And again, we're not too far off. Just a little bit more increase in value would make Mask Network go into the green zone. Hopefully we should see that over the next month and a half, maximum end of January we should be able to hit the green zone. So when is it going to hit the $10 mark, 20, 30, 40, so on and so on? Guys, it's going to take its time for it to do that. I don't want it to do that in the next few weeks or next few months, because that's not going to be strong. It's not going to be sustainable. Even if it does hit the $10 mark over the coming weeks, it's very likely that it's going to straight away drop back down in value, and that is not what we want. We want it to go up in value at a slow and steady pace, meaning hitting the $10 mark and heading upwards from there rather than downwards. So yeah, at the moment, these are my takes and my predictions. If you guys want regular updates on Mask Network, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. But comment down below, or if you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to focus on, let me also know in the comment section down below, and I'll do that for you guys. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just a quick one on Mask Network. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like. And also, before I end off the video, I just want to say a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. On that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.